What is going on? Stock Up with Larry Jones community. I am happy to be here to help out my friend. And of course, I hope you're having a great day. Hope the money is flowing in and the bags are packed. We are on a journey to financial freedom. I'm going to talk about some of the plays I'm looking at that I'm in. I just got into. I figured I'd show a little bit of love out there, share it with the community. Do yourself a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, join Larry as he continues to help out people. And he has his courses down below. Make sure you hit that link as well. Join those. But man, oh man, oh man, what's happening out there in the market today? I wanted to come on here, talk about a little bit of everything. I'll tell you what I'm seeing. And I know some of you out there are watching the markets and well, if you're in crypto, you panicked a little bit today. If you're in stocks, you're like, hey, what happened, man? Everything kind of collapsed down, and we started buying, of course, over at my place, and then it ran up. So I'll share two of the plays I got into, some option plays. These are two option plays, a little bit of a swing trade, if you will. So we'll see if they pay off. Maybe, maybe not. High risk move, but so far so good. And now, as you can see, green across the board. Nothing really to write home about. We got ourselves a little bit of, 0.07. But if you look where we were today off of that low, boom. A nice run up, 0.64. Great way to end the day. Good move to the north. Now, I'm bullish. And we get in there. We look at the cues. I'm bullish on this because we overtook the new high. And as you can see, when in doubt, zoom out. These are the daily candles. We keep moving higher. You're going to have sell-offs once in a while. And then another sell-off. And then up we go. Another sell-off. Up we go. Another sell-off. Up we go. Are we ready for another sell-off, or are we going to move a little bit higher? That's where we come over here, and we want to see if we can confirm above that last high. And right here, we come in there, and that last high is right around that price of, don't quote me on this, but roughly 539.41. Look where we're at right now. We did get slightly, we tied it yesterday on Friday. We come in Tuesday. Today, we hit that, and we push back up. And of course, we kind of settled at 539.37. So we need a little bit higher here. Have a nice opening, closing candle above there. And folks, I do believe another 5% is in the works that we could move higher as the catalysts continue to push forward. So I am bullish on this market for now. The RSI sitting at a very sweet 60. Not bad at all. All right, not bad at all. 60 is good. It's not overbought technically. We are popping up all the 5, the 13, the 50 EMA, all looking like they should look. We're seeing a little bit of an opening of the Bollinger Band, so volatility could pick up a little bit, pushes to the north. That's what I'm hoping for. And we'll see how it goes. The tariffs out there right now, the tariffs, they're causing a little bit of a headache for the market. The market doesn't like unknowns. It doesn't like risk. So when you have risk out there, the market starts to kind of, hey, what's going on? And then the yields on the 10-year treasury go higher. That puts pressure on the stock prices, and then we lose a little bit there. So as we go forward, we will see if it continues to do what it needs to do. Now, when we get into Bitcoin, folks, did you see, are you in crypto? If you're in crypto, let me know in the comments down below what crypto you are buying. I got 3 major cryptos. I did my 10, I got 9 out of the 10 of my US-based cryptos in the new Kraken Challenge thing I'm doing. But right now, I've been talking about this. When in doubt, zoom out. And what do you see? You see this really nice move up and now consolidation. And everybody's kind of panicking, right? And to me, I have the bottom line here, which I call the ultimate support. If we had a candle finish down below there, I would be a little bit nervous because that's telling me we're in for a world of hurt where we're probably going to move down pretty low. And that could be low 80s. So for now, the main support I'm expecting to see, and I have that at about 94.7. 94.7 on Bitcoin. If we get below 94.7 and confirm there, then it's the ultimate, and I call this the ultimate because if we fail here, it's going to drop like a rock. is 91.9, about 92. We'll say 92,000 right there. So we did bounce, hit that 1, 2, 3, 4, and again today, making a fifth day out of like 2 weeks that we are hitting that support. But just like every single time, it has pushed back up. It always seems like it's not gonna, but look, the 5, the 13, both below the 50 now. A lot of bad crosses out there. And we got to wonder, are we eventually going to have a monster red pepper candle push this thing down to that level that I don't want to see it? And that's what a lot of people are debating right now. My opinion, and it's up to you how you invest. I never tell people what to buy and sell, just what I'm doing. I continue to buy. I bought some Bitcoin and Ethereum today. I actually added on a little bit of XRP today, and I added on a little of the worst performing one in my portfolio. I thought, you know what, my best performing one out of the new Kraken challenge was XRP, and the worst one, US based, was Algo. So I added on an equal position to what I had in that portfolio, doubling the position. And there you go. And so I added on some XRP and Algo. Algo just got ripped apart. And so to show you Algo and how bad, like, oh man, just terrible, terrible. Look at this. So down it comes. We had this monster run all the way up. You know, you're up to 61. Now it's all the way back down to 25. You don't know. Are we going to go all the way back down to 12? If so, I'm going to lose 50% of my money that I have in there. Now, don't lose sleep over that. I'm only doing a $1,000 position on each one. This has $1,000 in it, and we are down there at a very, very critical support level as we speak. And so I am watching this one as well. I did promise you I'd show you some options. Let's get into some option plays. Here you go. I have 2 options right now. I got to move my mug so you can see them. I dropped these today in my Discord. One being Walgreens. I wanted to go with a Walgreens call option. That's right. And I was trying to time it, playing the candles, timed it right. So those who followed me, you got yourself a really nice gain out of this. About 12 to 13% up by the end of the day. Now I call this my blue collar option, so I only put about 300 to 500 in there, and it is up 42 bucks on about a 300, little over a $300. So we're up nicely. All right. I know there's other people that put like 10 grand into them, so they would be up about 1,200, 1,300. Well, you know, congratulations. But I do want to keep this. I always try to keep these options down there where folks can afford them, they can get into them, and they can handle it. Now, we got that one in there, which was fun. And of course, I had, nope, that's not the one, because I was going to buy that one. I didn't buy that one. It was a SPY. Was it the SPY? Let me pull that up. Yeah, it was the SPY. There it is. So I did one in the SPY. I did a SPY one. This one, 841, I was watching the minute candles, as you can see. Nice little gain by the end of the day, up 70 bucks. Between the two, a quick $100 gain. A quick $100 gain. That's what it's about. It doesn't have to be a home run every single time. We can hit these little base hits. They add up the runs, and we continue to move towards financial freedom using the charts, using the bread recipe, the beautiful bread recipe. And that's one of the ones. Now, let's go over and take a look at XRP. I know you guys like the XRP, so let's take a look. Here we go. Lots of charts because obviously I got a ton of money in this, so I'm watching it. And it is in the zone that I've been saying, watch. I'm not panicky at all. I even bought more today. I feel good about it. And what I am watching for, though, is are we going to have a green candle to push us back up and test this resistance, or are we going to have a nice green candle to do that, or a red candle pushing us back down to about 241. I figure we could have a wick down like we did here, a few of them, but by the next 24 hours, if we do wick below this, I would like to see it back above, and at that point, I would see some consolidation up and then pushing up. Remember, a lot of people expect these cryptos to absolutely explode up, including XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any of them. You can put it down in the comments what your favorite crypto is, but The deal is this: it takes time. We're waiting on the capital gains tax free on US based cryptos. We're waiting on the confirmation of Paulie Atkins, man. KIN in his name. That means family, it's kin. And David Sachs, let's go. Let's get that whole thing rolling. As the spot ETS roll out, you should see upward pressure on the price. Where the money flows, that'll push things, and you will be very happy. But for now, it's kind of just like watching paint dry. Man, it's boring. We're waiting for the final image to come through so we can enjoy it, but we're not there yet. We're still kind of putting that blue tape around the walls. You know, the thing you hate to do for hours, but you're glad you did it at the end? That's where we're at right now. All right, family, that's it. It's the update. I appreciate Larry having me on his channel. I hope everything is going well. Thoughts and prayers for him and his family, and hopefully everybody out there is watching and enjoying this one, and I hope to be back again someday soon. All right, I appreciate it. I'll see you next time.